A Dubai villa gives you more independence, but that also means more of the property becomes your responsibility.
The garden, exterior, air conditioning, water systems, and possibly a private pool all need somebody to look after them. So when you inspect a villa, don't stop at the bedrooms and interior design. Look outside. Check the plot, privacy, road position, and neighboring properties. Then ask what happens when you're not in Dubai. If a water leak appears, the irrigation fails, or the air conditioning stops, who discovers it? And who is allowed to act? For an international buyer, a good villa is not simply a bigger home. It is a property you can maintain and control even when you're abroad. Learn more at DXBTOK.com.